the Global Mindset University and True Media. My name is Rashada Rashid.
My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal.
And on today's episode, we are going to be discussing about some smoke detectors that you can find all over your house.
Right, so there are 2 points we need to know about smoke detector. The first one is
It is that when you have smoke detectors, you should test them each
right.
month.
So we need to know how often we can test our smoke detector to avoid any false alarm. And the second important point is replacing the battery, right?
Yes, replacing
Yeah.
the batteries.
Right. So when we record our video in a couple of weeks before, we were hearing some beep sound. So in order to avoid those, we need to basically change the battery. So we'll show you those important points, how you can replace the battery and how often you can test your smoke detector for safety. In order to test your smoke detector, you need to have some kind of smoke at your home. You need to create that kind of smoke, as you can see right here. It could be from incense or any sticks you may burn, and you can use that one and just direct it straight to your smoke detector. Once you expose your smoke detector with some kind of smoke, it will produce a noise. Let's go ahead and see how we can do that. There we go. And now, the next thing is
For the best results, we recommend testing the smoke detectors once a month. You'll always be ready for an emergency, and this will prevent false alarms and beeping your drained batteries.
right. So another important thing when we talk about smoke detectors, how many smoke detectors should I have? Basically, when you buy a home or when you build a home, it should be included with your home. But in general, per floor, at least you need to have one per floor. But if you have number of rooms like bedrooms, you need to have at least one in each. And the other important thing is when you talk about smoke detector, you need to like, how do I my smoke detector from beeping? So this, when it's beep, it just tell you that the battery is drained and you need to replace the battery.
Your smoke detector is beeping, even though there's no smoke around it, try to keep it far away from bathrooms or stoves to make sure that it does not sense any heat.
Right, or give you like a false alarm. So a false kind of sound. So with that case, it might be because of the battery's drained. So with that, you might need to change the battery. So we'll show you how we can change the battery, and also tell you as well the specific type of battery that you need to buy.
If your smoke detector is beeping, it could be because the batteries are running low. Try changing the batteries. But if it continues, the device might be sending false alarms. Make sure it is far enough from the bathroom or stove to avoid sensing heat or steam anytime you use the room.
Great. And so basically, in order to change, you may need that's it. What do you see right here? Actually, we just using a screwdriver to fix the new one. But normally, in order to change the battery, you don't need to use a screwdriver. There's a way you can just press a button and it automatically come out. So that's how you can install it the first time when you install your smoke detector at your home. Now let's go ahead and see some of the batteries that you need in order to replace for your smoke detector. There is a specific type of battery you can buy from Amazon. We're gonna put the link where you can buy the battery. We'll put that link for you guys here in the description. So this is, you can get it from Amazon Basics. It's called the 9V battery. So I got it directly from Amazon Basics. It's really affordable price wise, and also it's really durable. It works very well. So that's how you get it, bags, small bags, and you can replace it.
smoke detector, you should test it each month. How do you do that? It's better if you put your smoke detector near the stove, so then if you see that it is just beeping, even though there's no heat or sensing heat, try changing the batteries. It could be because of that. But if it's not working, you might need to put it away from the bathroom or stove to keep away sensing heat from it.
Right. So if it give you a false kind of beeping, so you need to replace it. And to replace, as you can see right here, you need a screwdriver, and basically you buy one from Home Depot where you can get a smoke detector and you can replace it, or you can just talk to one of the technicians around your home and you can do it. So that way it can help you to be safe during any kind of real fire danger. And also this is really important when it comes to the home insurance. So in case something happened, bad happened, home insurance will really put you in trouble if you haven't yet changed your smoke detector battery while it is beeping. So they have really a good way of knowing how that happened. So this video is coming through from the Washington DC.
White House.
That's the capital actually, Charlie. So guys, when I joined the Global Mindset University through Media Success Coach, make sure you subscribe so you'll have all the latest episodes directly to your inbox.
Make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and please send anything if there's any feedback that we need to improve.
My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal.
And my name is Ashad Rashid.
Till we see each other with the next episode.
Goodbye.
Next time. Bye.